Bounced up a little bit past this 50 period moving average. Good thing this good chance this thing could go green, so maybe make a nice little chunk along with 1,000 shares and see what happens with this thing. Okay, come on, just keep on moving. Come on, man. Well, it's got some support right here, so maybe I'll hang on to this 16 area, bounce back up. Come on. Oh shit! Oh shit, dude! What the fuck? I just lost $1,500. What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh no!
I mean, several Chinese stocks. Of course, the situation in China becomes much better, and it looks to me like the market should move higher. That's why I'm long Tesla, that's why I'm long Baba. I'm expecting the market to pull back up today. Pre-market time we were green, and now, in my opinion, we should move into green territory, although we started just a bit red. Looks to me like we're going to be bigger in today. I'm having some trouble here with Tesla. It's just failing to move higher, and it's getting back to the lows where I should have my stop. I'm getting ready to stop it. I'm already down $14,000. That's very bad. That's very bad. And to see it stopping just a bit, relaxing a bit. Oh, what a spike down. I do not move out on spikes. Look at that. That's terrible. $27,000 down. The case with Tesla is that it's strong today. I'm looking at the daily. Tesla should move up today, but I'm down 33,000. This is terrible. It spiked down. I do not move out on spikes. It is moving down. Just close the gap. I expect it to stop somewhere around here, because when the stock is moving down, closing the gap, at many times it would find its support right over there at the point where it closes the gap, and this should be it right here. And again, the market started down a bit, but I'm looking at the daily of the market. I expect the market to move higher. I expect Tesla to move higher today. I hope I'm not mistaken here. It just spiked down. I do not move out on spikes, although I'm starting to feel sorry about this one. Down $35,000. Oh my god, this is terrible. Boeing. Well, if I'm mistaken about market direction, I should go short. And Boeing is down almost 10%. And it's just about to move down under $92. Just did now, and I'm gonna go short. I may be wrong about market direction. I'm gonna go short here, Boeing. 4,000 shares. Actually, I like this one. Another 4,000. Shorting now. I'm short 8,000 shares. Taking big risk here in Boeing. Still think the market is more likely to move higher, but Boeing could come down without market help. Boeing is not getting down. In fact, I was probably right about market direction, because the market is now moving higher. And Boeing 2, I will stop it over $94. I'm down 14 grand, 15 grand. I'm having a terrible day. About to close, about to cover Boeing. Oh, come on, baby, no. 17,000. It's gonna move over 94. I'll close it. Look at the seller side. 93, 90, 91, 92. Look at the seller side. It's gonna move over 94. I'm gonna close it. I'm down 17 grand. Come on, stop there. Maybe the whole number is gonna save me. Sometimes it does. Oh no, it just bounced over. I'm closing it $20,000 down. I'm having a nightmare day. Tesla, Boeing. I mean, everything is looking just terrible right now, and Baba's not doing well too. Look at my account now. I just closed Boeing for over $20,000. Tesla down 24,000, a bit better than what it was earlier. And Baba's down 3 grand. I'm down now 20 plus 29, $49,000. And
if the Nasdaq begins to trade above 940, we really should be buyers of it, because we got an inside bar here. This is what I'm thinking. This stop loss might actually be way too tight. I'm in here. This is what the chart looks like. Let's see if we got any buyers in this area at all. Oh my god, I'm absolutely being hosed today. Not working. Take a miracle not to get stopped out here. Classic. Just went above that bar where I thought we were going to be buyers. Right here. Just went above it. 2-bar reversal, back down again. I got
to see losses.
So I'd like to see BL and K kind of work itself back up here a little bit. See if we can get filled here at 520. Having some trouble there at the 524. Wow! There's the drop. Oh! So not getting filled there at 520. Oh, that stinks. Oh, man. Come on now. Oh! You gotta be kidding me. Try to get filled there at 520. Alright, so let's see now if this $5 area turns into a resistance here. So it looks like looking nice for some little pop back up here. Wow! Oh! Gotta be kidding me now. 480s now. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my baby Jesus. That 520 entry would have been so beautiful. So beautiful. See if we can get filled here. 6010. Not getting filled. Trying to get filled there twice at 610 area. It's not getting filled. Ugh. Come on now. I'm going to try 500 here at 599. On BLNK. I'll look for this pullback down to the 560s. We got 565 so far. Looking for a little bit deeper here. 560. Give me 560, baby. Come on. I want to see BL and K get down there to the 560s. Come on, baby. Get down there. Right here. Come on. 560s. Come on, baby. Drop on me. Get on down there. Get on down there. Things gonna explode there. I'm gonna jump out. Oh, now it drops. Wow. Are you kidding me? Oh! Thought this was gonna break back above $6 right there. Just fail. Down there to 565. It was really holding this trend there, holding the EMA. I thought, oh, it's gonna explode again. Oh, you know, seeing this move earlier. Look at that fake out. Total fake out. Wow. Oh. Alright, got the full fill there. Wow, there's a drop. Down to the 530s. See this pulls back up there. I want to get out for that loss. I was hoping that 550 area would hold as support. And look at it now. It's getting crushed. That was a bad idea. So bad idea. Terrible idea, actually. Watch it. It's going down here. Down to ours now. Trying to get some type of pop back up here, but it just does not. Looks like it's about to get halted or something. Getting halted on the down. Oh my god. Worst case scenario right now. Worst case scenario. Oh ho 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 ho.
Make on it.
Worst case scenario.
And then we'll see, because right now I'm down 2,400 on this position. It was a risk that I was willing to take. But right now in after hours, we're seeing that the stock is having a lot of movement, and it had amazing earnings, so that caused the stock to kind of pop off. So we're gonna see what happens with the stock, and I'm also gonna do a little reaction. The market opens in literally 1 minute. Gotta have my phone out right now just to see and make sure that something retarded happens. So we gotta have this at the sell button. I'm gonna sell immediately at market open. So wish me luck. Wish me luck. All right, let's see. So right here, we're here. Okay, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Jesus. Trying to see. It's gonna be a total of 46 contracts. So we got 46. We're gonna close them all. Market open. And we're up. What the fuck? Why did it say I'm down 5 grand? What the fuck?